Welcome everyone. Today we are solving exercise 14.2 question number 1. Here we are calculating mode of the grouped data. Age in years and number of patients. You can see two columns are there. The information is presented in the tabular form. 5 to 15, 6 patients, 15 to 25, 11 patients, 25 to 35, 21 patients, 35 to 45, 23 patients, 45 to 55, 14 patients and 55 to 65, 5 patients are admitted in the hospital. To calculate the mode, for calculation of mode, first of all we'll find the highest frequency or the maximum frequency. Here you can see the maximum frequency is 23. So therefore this 35 to 45 is the model class. For calculation of mode, first of all we need to find the model class, and model class is the class which has the highest frequency. The highest frequency is 23, so the model class is 35 to 45. This frequency in front of the model class is F1. The frequency just above the model class is F0 and the frequency just below the model class is F2. To find mode, first of all we find the model class, and we need to write all these information whenever you solve the mode. Model class is 35 to 45. This is model class. L is the lower limit of the model class, which is 35. H is the class size 10. Class size you get by subtracting lower limit from the upper limit. 15 minus 5 is 10. 25 minus 15 is 10. 35 minus 25 is 10. So here class size is 10. F1 is the frequency of the model class, 23. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, which is 21. And F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, which is 14. We can also understand this again. Model class is 35 to 45, lower limit is 35. Class size H is upper limit minus lower limit, which is 15 minus 5 is 10. F1 is the frequency of the model class, which is 23. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, which is 21 here. F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class, which is 14 in this question. Here we have the formula to calculate mode of the group data. Mode equals to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket closed into H. Put the values. L is 35 plus bracket 23 minus 21 upon double of F1 is 46 minus 21 minus 14 bracket closed into 10. Here we can see 35 is as it is plus inside the bracket 23 minus 21 is 2 and the denominator is 46 minus 21 minus 14. These two numbers are negative. Minus 21 minus 14 will get minus 35 and this number is positive. So positive 46 minus negative minus 35 is positive 11. So after solving this, we'll get 35 plus this will give us 2 and this will give us 11 by 11 multiplied by 10. Now 35 is as it is plus 2 into 10 is 20 by 11. When you divide 20 by 11, when we divide 20 by 11 is 11, 1 is 11, 9 remainder, point, then 0 zeros, we can put 11, 8s are 88, 2 remainder, again next 0 is copied down, 11, 1 is 11, the remainder is 9. So here we have 1.81. So when 20 is divided by 11, we get 1.81 and this is whole number 35. When you add this 35 plus 35 and this 1.81, 35.00 and 1.81 will give us 18 6 and 3, 36.81. So the 35 plus 1.81 will give us 36.81 years, or we can write 36.8 years. This is the mode of this data.